Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cash Easy back at it like crack addicts. What's going on YouTube? Before we get in this video, if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We on that road to 2K, man. Today we got motherfucking Easy Mill, aka Slashy, aka Slashmouth, back at it with Deathcore. Happy birthday. What? I don't listen to a lot of Deathcore, so this is my first time dabbling into this for real. If you're new here, make sure to go check out my Easy Mill playlist. It'll be linked up here somewhere, or at the end of the video you can click on it as well. If it's your birthday, this is dedicated to you, man. It's a young Easy Mill right here. Doing some kind of ritual, it look like. Hey, yo. He's releasing all them demons, man. I ain't gonna lie, he's shredding his guitar right now too. Like, what the fuck? Ain't gonna lie, I don't really fuck with Deathcore, but this is low-key hitting, man. Guitar. Thought he was finna hit us with that guitar solo, man. This is wild. Sounds sick, bro. Hey, yo, that was fire. Not gonna lie, I ain't a big Deathcore fan, but this was pretty dope. It's a different twist to Happy Birthday song, man. 2024, we here to listen to all kind of genres of music. I kind of hope Easy Mill drops some kind of rock songs this year. I might check out more of Slashmouth, aka Easy Mill's rock band from back in the day, man. Song is fire. Had some sick breakdowns in it. Bro was shredding on the guitar. That's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We on that road to 2K, man. Comment down below what songs you want me to react to next. I got some Malia, keep that pole on me, man.
Hey, let's keep it honest. I'm trying to make a name in this game for these rappers. Too much oil in my head, now they thinking I'm Arabian. When I stand before the mic, I don't freeze, I spit fire.